Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about software engineering. The topics which we will be covering here are software engineering, software, systems, types of systems, and programs versus software products. First of all, what is system? जब भी कोई interdependent components आपस में link होते हैं in an orderly manner according to a plan to achieve a specific goal, then it is called a system. What are the major constraints of a system? System के तीन basic constraints होते हैं. First of all, it must have some structure and behavior to achieve a predefined objective. System components में interconnectivity and interdependence होना must है. किसी भी organization की objective has a higher priority than उसके subsystems के objectives. For example, traffic management system, payroll system, automatic library system, human resources and information system. Types of systems. Open systems. Open systems वो systems होते हैं जो continually environment से interact करते हैं. They take their input from outside and deliver output to the outside only. जब भी कोई information system यूजर की changing demands के साथ खुद को adapt कर लेता है, then it falls into open system category. Closed systems. Closed systems वो systems होते हैं जो totally isolated होते हैं from environmental influences. Completely closed systems are very rare. Static systems. Static systems वो systems होते हैं which like movement. They are fixed by design and often viewed as out of fashion, monotonous or uninteresting. For example, manual business forms, paperback books and manual timesheets. Dynamic systems. Dynamic systems वो systems होते हैं जो continuously अपनी state को change करते रहते हैं. They are very interactive. For example, software apps, computers, digital bulletin boards and mobile phones. What is software engineering? Software engineering दो separate words से बना है which are software and engineering. To understand software engineering, we must know what is software and what is engineering. First of all, what is software? Software refers to a program or set of programs and applications used to manage and control various functions of a device, such as a computer. Unlike hardware, which is a physical part of a device, software is virtual. What is engineering? Engineering is the process of designing and building something that serves a particular purpose and finds a cost-effective solution to problems. That means वो प्रोसेस जिससे हम किसी चीज को डिजाइन या बिल्ड कर सकते हैं फॉर ए पर्टिकुलर पर्पस एंड जिससे हम कोई कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव सॉल्यूशन निकाल सकते हैं टू सॉल्व अवर प्रॉब्लम्स, उस प्रोसेस को हम इंजीनियरिंग कहते हैं. Now we have looked upon what is software and what is engineering. So let us see what software engineering means. Software engineering is a systematic, disciplined, quantifiable study and approach to the design, development, operation, and maintenance of a software system. That means वो study जिससे हम किसी software system को design, develop, operate या maintain करते हैं, that is software engineering. What are the differences between program and software product? First of all, let's look on the basis of size. Programs are usually small in size. They contain lines of code, for example, 100 to 2000 lines of code or little more. Software products, they are very big from inside. इनमें thousands to lakhs of coding lines होती हैं, which depends on which type of software product it is. Documentations. Programs usually documentation में lag करते हैं. They usually have no documentation. Software product. Software product के case में there is proper documentation. They are well documented. On basis of user, in case of programs, developer himself is the sole user. But in case of software product, large or vast number of users are there. On basis of developer, in case of programs, प्रोग्राम को यूजुअली एक सिंगल डेवलपर या 2 और 3 डेवलपर्स डेवलप करते हैं, बट इन केस ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोडक्ट एक वेल ट्रेन्ड टीम होती है विच इंडल्स इन डेवलपमेंट. यूजर इंटरफेस. Programs where usually there is no user interface, but in case of software product, there is proper and full well-designed user interface. On basis of development, programs are usually unplanned or not systematic, that is ad hoc development is there. But in case of software product, इस केस में there is systematic and organized development approach is there. Functionality, programs generally limited functionality provide करते हैं and they have less features. Software products, they provide more functionality because they are big in size. There are thousands or lakhs of coding lines. So more options are there and more features are provided in case of software products. That was all on software engineering basics. Please stay connected to our channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon to get all the updates.